To this day, most people focus on financial problems, struggling with debt, or living paycheck to paycheck. But let me tell you something. Money is not our problem. In fact, it's not even about money. It's about energy and vibration. Think about this. If you are constantly thinking about lack, poverty, or how broke you are energetically attracting more of that. But what if I told you that there is a powerful way to attract money into your life, no matter where you are financially? The key is understanding the law of attraction and how to align yourself with the energy of abundance today. I'm going to take you through how you can attract wealth and abundance into your life. We're going to dive deep into the principles of the law of attraction, practical steps you can implement starting today, and most importantly, how to rewire your subconscious mind to magnetize financial freedom. Let's get started. What exactly is the law of attraction? It's a universal principle that states that like attracts like. What you think, feel, and focus on, you bring into your life. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, and every belief you hold is sending out an energetic frequency to the universe. And the universe responds to that frequency by giving you more of the same. But here's where it gets interesting. The universe doesn't distinguish between what's good or bad. It simply responds to your energy. If you're constantly thinking about bills, financial stress, or scarcity, you're inviting more of that into your life. However, when you shift your focus to abundance, wealth, and gratitude, you begin to attract more opportunities and financial prosperity. To attract money, the first step is to shift your mindset. Most people don't realize this, but your financial situation is a reflection of your subconscious programming around money. What beliefs do you hold about wealth? Do you believe money is hard to come by, that you have to struggle to succeed, or that wealth is only for a select few? These limiting beliefs are silently sabotaging your ability to attract money. The good news is, you have the power to change these beliefs. By rewiring your subconscious mind to adopt an abundance mindset, you can begin to attract wealth easily and effortlessly. So, let me ask you, what does your current financial situation reflect about your beliefs? And are you ready to let go of those old stories? Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in the law of attraction: visualization. This isn't just about daydreaming or wishful thinking. This is about mentally rehearsing your future. When you visualize yourself as wealthy, abundant, and successful, you're sending a powerful signal to your subconscious mind and the universe that this is your reality. Here's how it works. I want you to take a moment, close your eyes, and imagine your wealthiest self. Picture yourself in detail. Where do you live? What kind of house do you have? How does it feel to wake up each morning knowing you have complete financial freedom? What does your daily routine look like? See yourself spending money freely, without worry or stress. Visualize the experiences you get to have. Maybe it's traveling to exotic destinations, giving generously to causes you care about, or simply feeling completely at peace, knowing that money flows to you effortlessly. The more real you can make this image in your mind, the more you will attract it into your life. Remember, your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a real memory and an imagined one. When you embody the energy of your wealthiest self, you begin to magnetize that reality. Gratitude is a powerful multiplier when it comes to attracting money. Often, we focus on what we don't have, what we wish was different, or the financial goals we haven't yet reached. But the secret is this: gratitude for what you already have invites more abundance into your life. Start by taking stock of all the financial blessings you already enjoy, no matter how small they may seem. Do you have food on your table, a roof over your head, access to resources that allow you to grow? Shift your focus away from scarcity and begin to genuinely appreciate all the ways money is already flowing to you. As you express gratitude, you open yourself up to receive more. This creates a powerful energetic shift. Instead of chasing money, you're drawing it toward you like a magnet. Now that you understand the mindset and energetic principles behind attracting money, let's talk about practical steps you can take to align with wealth. Create a money vision board. Fill it with images, quotes, and symbols that represent financial abundance. Look at it every day, feeling the energy of already having what you desire. Affirmations. Use positive money affirmations daily. Say things like, I am a magnet for money. Wealth flows to me easily. And I am open to receiving unlimited financial abundance. Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind to expect wealth. Act as if you're already wealthy. Start treating yourself and your finances as if you already have the wealth you desire. This doesn't mean overspending, but it does mean making decisions from a place of abundance rather than lack. Give freely. If you want to attract more money, start giving more. This might sound counterintuitive, but generosity creates a flow of energy. When you give freely, you tell the universe that you trust there will always be more coming your way. One of the most common blocks to attracting wealth is resistance. We hold on to old beliefs like, money is evil, I don't deserve wealth, or it's selfish to want more. These beliefs are energetically blocking you from receiving the abundance that is rightfully yours. To let go of resistance, you need to identify and release these limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, what stories have I been telling myself about money? Are they serving me? If not, it's time to rewrite them. At the end of the day, attracting money with the law of attraction isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about becoming the conscious creator of your financial reality. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of abundance, you open the doors to unlimited wealth and financial freedom. So, are you ready to step into your wealthiest self? The universe is waiting to give you everything you desire, but it all starts with you. Remember, you are the creator of your financial destiny, and it's time to claim it. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on manifesting the life of your dreams. Let's make this the year of financial abundance for you. You've got this.